Excel Module 2, pages 90 to 91. Alright, at the top of page 90, to use the Format Cells dialog box to format the column titles, select the range A26 through O26. So we're going to go to A26, and we're going to select all the way across to O26. On the Home tab in the Font group, click the Dialog Box Launcher. Okay, let's take a look at our groups so that you can see our dialog box launchers. Not all groups have one. A dialog box launcher is in the very bottom right-hand corner, and it's right there. So the Clipboard group has one, the Font group has one, the Alignment group, and the Number group. Styles, Cells, and Editing don't have dialog box launchers. When you hit a dialog box launcher, what happens is, wait for it, you launch a dialog box. Alright, so let's go to our Font dialog box launcher, and when you click it, the dialog box opens for you. Okay? So, step number 3. Click the color box to display the available colors. So, we're on our Font tab because we launched this with the Font dialog box launcher, which takes you to the Format Cells dialog box with the Font tab selected. Color is right here. And let's see, what color do we want? We want white background 1. We're going to hit this down pointing arrow. White background 1 is right there. Go ahead and click it. Now, if you think about it, we now have a white font on a white background, which means it's going to be invisible, and that would be a very bad thing. So we're going to kick down here to step 4 and click the Fill tab, because obviously we've got to put a color in there or we won't be able to see any of those headings. Step number 5. In the background color section, click the green standard color, which is a 6th color in the last row. Now, this one is a little bit different. It doesn't say standard colors, it doesn't say theme colors, and they don't light up with the name, unfortunately. So you're just going to have to pay close attention to the book, and it tells you which color it is, the 6th one, and you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and click on it. When you're finished with that, go ahead and click OK. And there it is. It's got the green background and the white text. Alright, at the top of page 91, select the range A27 through A46 containing the rotated state names. So we're going to come over here, we're going to click right here, and we are going to select all of our rotated state names. Alright, with that selected, on top of it, go ahead and right click and get your shortcut menu and click Format Cells. Right there, do you see it? 3 dots. After it is an ellipsis, which tells you it's going to open up something else. In this case, it's our Format Cells dialog box. The Format Cells dialog box opens with the last tab used displays, which in our case was the Fill tab. Step number 3. With your Fill tab selected, and if it opened with something else, just click Fill, no big deal. In the background color section, we're going to click the gold theme color, which is the 8th color in the first row, and it's that one right there. And again, just count over, and it's that one, even though it doesn't light up with the name. Go ahead and click on that, and that's our fill color. Step number 4, click the Font tab. And the color we're going to take on this one is the white background 1. So right here to Color, down pointing arrow, white background 1. In the size box, okay, we got size right here. We want 14. In the font style box, here's font style. Click bold. And when you have that all correct, okay, we've got background color gold. We've got a font color of white background 1. We have a size of 14, and we have a style of bold. Go ahead and click OK. And you can scroll down, deselect, and scroll down and see how they look. Go ahead and click Save. And you're finished with section 2.1, so go ahead and move on to your next video.